Helicopters coming through over there. And there's a service over there going through Newcastle. 174.18 was the one that had been out on the outside before it was swapped for the before it was swapped here at Nottingham. Also, now to do this over you there. Doing it what for? I once suggested there was a swap on the left, so I'm not sure to which from what at Lincoln Central. But that's what I want to say. What I can safely say is there is a service to alcohol from Tottenham Lane, which we'll see in a minute. Two Vicky McClure on us for that one. Tottenham to next one on the side. Oh, crossover coming. Within Centro. Come on, make it good. So 600 our clock there. Okay, over here we've got a terminating cross-country service from Cardiff Central. And it is 17 and it's newly reformed 176.23 with the ons for that one. One of the turbos, that's right. Lovely. Okay, here we have people on board there. So 1 minute, that's totally not normal. Oh, and also 1614 Castle Elevator Street, I almost forgot that. Calling it B Slighting by Boston Town Prince University Worcester Park Chancellor Gloucester. This might be a Lydian Chep Circle as well, I'm not too sure. Possibly 7 Tunnel Junction. Again, I'm not too sure. Okay, and it looks like it's about ready to hit the off. Okay, passing now is the 1612 East Midlands Railway says the St Pancras. There's also, behind me, there is a tram coming in. That, 229 Vivian Aston VE. And off to go the train. Yep. Triple 2 101. Okay, I've got Ostrich working on even though having come in. Yeah, there's tram. 221 Stephen Low. And 195018 as well. To Leeds and Phoenix Park. Okay, we zoom in on the Colas department where we find some grid action happening. But it looks like it's first shunting only. And it's become apparent. The previous ones, I think, was from Wembley to Chaddiston, I think. Chaddiston Sidings. Wembley receptions somewhere to Chaddiston Sidings was the working for the Colas from earlier that went through here. Okay, we've got 2 grid lobbies coming in. And that service is rather full, going to Clifton South from Phoenix Park there, it looks like. Okay, coming in here is another tram of some description. Let's having a look here, 223 called State MBA. And the also says to Clifton South from Phoenix Park. East Park, Clifton South, sorry. There's that one. See you in a minute. Okay, and she's off. Okay, here we got another tram here. Yeah. Who had these 2 seats with some jack wheels to take it. So let's also have some Hackles 7 lane. Oh, that's it. Yes, that's it. That one being driven by the main Honda cap on that one. And then here we got 170. 420. The turbo gene to workshop. There's that one. (2001) with 2 David Clark. Don't think I've seen that one today actually. Both trams are off. Both trams are off. So what, they thought this one out then? Was this... Wait. Is it... No, it's one. Is this 1.5? I can't remember this one. Yeah, one of us I've seen the marked up blue boy. A plain blue 156. Yeah, it really didn't know. So that's one's definitely swap though, surely. So it's coming in. And it's to try to also work Western Martin Polio car. And he says it's still yet to come in. I shall find out why in a minute. Hold up, wait, here it is. There we go. One East 111 comes back. I was wondering where it went. More speedy wait time. And there it is. The next one off this should be 22103, I hope. Okay, here we have 242. I'll say tickets up at some point, but that one will be Biocrest will be Queen's Walk. On this one. But that's now got the updated buttons in there now. It did have the buttons for a long while, but they finally updated them at last. So that means that all the trams are now done with the correct buttons in there now, so that's good news. The last one to have had the buttons no more. There goes the 16 4 West Birmingham New Street, whereby 3 car turbo sign for 176.23. And then this tram has just come in. National Justice Museum, discover main fan project, I'll face one great day at Nottingham. But now nationaljustice.org.uk, joint tickets available, joint tickets available, now open daily. Outside on this side on board this tram. We're not like sort of panel on here. Quite weird. I guess it makes a whole lot of sense to them than it does to me. And the Colas, as I said, something from Tottenham Lane there. Look, 230 Mary Potter. One of the unadvertising ones there. As now departing is going to be the 1547 East Midlands Railway, calling it Alfreton, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Mansfield, D, Mount Warren, Widnes, Hunts Cross, Liverpool, South Park, and Liverpool Lime Street. It's got a 156 and 158 on it, and they leading front in the one in the Eastern Sainsbury, the 156 Eastern Sainsbury, and the 158 Eastern Sainsbury white livery. So we'll find out what they are. The says going for 156422 by the looks of things. But leading this one is going to be 156473, ex-Northern there as well actually. Of 158 866, I want to say. But I'll get confirmation of 866 bringing up the rear. Nice little combination there as always. I like that, especially at this time. And there you go. Oh, nice little pantograph back there. 2 Mary Potter. Next one for that one will be Lace Market. From Tottenham Lane. Okay, during Tracy and Jim Taylor just come in. So working off their translates to Tottenham Lane from Hucknall. Starting there will be the 1650 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras, I hope. Yep. And this will be worked by 180 111. The train do too. Yay, the train do too. It's calling it Leicester, Market Harbour, Kettering and then St Pancras this time. Okay, here we got 217 car 410. Get your boxing gloves on. Service to Skins Avenue Park. We're going to go down to the station now. Next one back on by Quest will be Queen's Walk. Here we are at Meridian. You may notice a Newcastle here in the background, but here we are at the Meridian. You may notice that this formation is different to the other ones we've seen today. Same as 104. So it concerns the location of the extra coach this time. And what have we got then? Well, could do with a clean there, must admit. Goodness gracious me. Anyway, what we got here is swing's fogged out a bit. Crossed it up. What we got here? Ooh, nice double type flooring. Getting cracked there. Here's where the buffet car is. Correct. This one has got declassified first class in it. And the declassified first class is right over here. Inside this carriage here. For standard class ticket holders. And then the rest of everything is first class everywhere else. access onto 2 full first class coaches, and the rest is standard. Just like you do, really. Recently they're falling into a 5-car unit, obviously. Showing signs of off colour there for that. There's a 158 anyway, so what's the hay? That's the extra coach. Got 3 at the end still. It's in 222-003. So yeah, there you go. It's interesting formation again. Seems weird seeing these from seems weird seeing spy coaches like that. Also, the non-passenger door is open. Wow. Looks like you can walk through there today, I guess, or something. Yeah, I guess you can indeed. Wow, that's good. Could do with a clean there. That is really dirty. There is a cab for 222 right there. The cage passing now is the 1707 cross-country car descending Street, worked by a 2-car turbo star in the form of 170, 112. And there's one on 195 that came in from Leeds. We'll go back out to Leeds eventually if I can get my teeth back in. Quite something with these formations, it really is. Impressive. Bit of damage there on this one though, isn't it? If you look close you can see the bigger numbers of the small ones. Yeah. Okay, coming now, 17 cross country test in Birmingham New Street. Car Central, sorry. And another one of their turbo stars by the looks of things, 170 111. And then we'll move over here to find now departing at the Do they see him? Yes, they do. They're almost there. One more. Whilst he does that, we've got a Tony Easton's Isis and some Pancras coming in. It sees the return of 222 001, the Nottingham Express. Pigeons doing their thing. And so now departing will be the 1712 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Which is a Pioneer, wonderful Pioneer. Triple 2 103. 103. That's right. 5-car in formation. Halfway car. Interesting to see it once your horns have their buffet cars right in the dead centre of the train. Well then. Calling at Beeston East Cycle of Estimate Harbour Ketting, Wellingborough and London St Pancras, one of the very few services that calls at Wellingborough at this time of day. East Midlands Railway service on the service, so yeah, there you go, cool. Wellingborough caller there. Okay, as the tram goes off there, here's the 1760 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe from Newcastle. (17273), the ex-Transport for Wales variation with declassified first class in it. There'll be more of these to come. Oh, it's racing as well. Dead heat with a 195. It probably didn't cheat though, the 170, because of how far. Oh, yeah, the old Northern logos on there. So you got a 196, 196. 170 and a 195. Where did I get 196 from? Oh dear. It's a dead heat so far there, look. Look at that, they're neck and neck. Who's going to get round the corner first though? The 195 has the lead, I think. But the 170 may just have the inside line as it goes round the bend. It is tight, it's tight, oh, it's tight. But it looks like the 170, oh, it's tight. It looks like the 170 just might have got there by a nose. Just. Very, very tight. I think officially that'll have to go to the judge to decide. Skegness coming in on the bay platform with one set. Oh no, on platform 1 up there, worked by 17638. Okay, since this work has now gone off, and that now is 17638 after another train swap. So there goes that one. The on hire unit has just gone out for a worktop run now. Having been out on the Skegness runs are Remember having that with Central Trains, yeah? Now we got it on loan. There it goes. Okay, coming over there is the 1746 East Midlands Railway service. East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, form number 158. We are still waiting on some freight as well. One of them is ahead of the other. I think they're in reverse order. The coal train is behind the petroleum. It's 175.34. Okay, still nothing on the freight yet, but they will be here eventually. 170-115 is certainly here. So 117 on the way is 115, and on the rear is 170, 117. Tommy, some Costco saw some buying in New Street there. I think there must be a lot of passenger traffic that's just halted all operations or something. Okay, coming now to these also in Midland Street to Norwich, which is 158.810 in the newest start of the East Midlands trains livery. And 158 on new start livery again. Both the same actually. I say newer style, but because they were refurbished at Bristol, Barcelona, I remember, under the Eastern Trains franchise again, even though they had Eastern Railway, they refurbished them again. Okay, 1509 is coming through here. Catch me off guard. For Colas Railfreight. There it goes. We continue on with the fun and games theme, not just with freight, with passenger as well. Because one central one's coming for God knows how, coming after God knows how long waiting over there. Now that'll run the late running, says the Birmingham Street. Let out the siding. There we go. Lovely job there, lovely job. Lovely job there. Okay, and after loading up, she's off. And that is apart from the first house being empty, a very full service. Absolutely heaving there, but not quite standing room only, still heaving nonetheless. Okay, passing now to the Blind Street, calling at Alverton, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester, Windsor, top parking and I think. 4844, the station volunteer, and 158770. One of those in the old style museum, the other one of those in the new style museum this time. Again, because one was a Barcelona refurbishment, of course, while the other one was, well, part refurbished.
Will now depart from platform 1C.
Yeah, all the 158 so refurbished at Bristol, but the other ones that were new at Eastern Treasury, they were done there.
48 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness will now depart from platform 1C.
Oh, really? Then with what?
Platform 1C from the 1748 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness.
We'll see 001. Yeah. How many coaches are you going to be using? Could be 2. Because 638, oh, it might be 4. Or 3. It's 2. So 638 is replaced by one of our units of some sort. Okay, coming in now is going to be an Eastern Total to Newark Castle. I want to say the 1756 Eastern Total to Newark Castle here, formed of a 158, and it is 158 on this one. Guard or driver in the rear cab there. Departing according to Carlton, Loudon, I think Bleasby and Newark, Fisk, Newark, something like that. I'll have the common points if I can.
The train at platform 6C is the
1752, right. Calling it
Newark Castle, calling it Carlton, Burton Joyce, Loudon, Bleasby, and Newark.
Carlton, Loudon, Carlton,
platform 6C.
Burton Joyce, Loudon, Bleasby, and Newark Castle. There we go. And then this is St Pancras now. A 222-001. But that's one there could be presuming from that of a pigeon. As over there you can see that there is a DB Carg UK Class 66 working the loaded petroleum tanks from Humber Oil Refinery to Kingsbury Oil Tanks. We'll see that in a minute. Okay, got two things, some workshop there, sorry. 151. Okay, I've had a look at the trusty wheel tram trains, and one for that A12 was working the Skegness. And here we got some freight now to finish things off. Well, not finish things off here. Our next freight train of the day is going to be, next freight train to come through is going to be a DB Cargo UK Class 66. On working loaded trains and Humber Oil Refinery Kingsbury size as the tram goes off. Presumably plenty of people on board. There's also coming in a terminating East Midlands Railway and St Pancras as well. Say 5 coming in, the one after this is going to be 10. There's going to be a pair of them. There's an Incentro coming up there. Hopefully plenty of people on board that. Let's see how many are on board this. Just enough time before the freight goes. 22023. Let's see. Looking. Yeah. More empty first class than standard class, but plenty of people on board. And plenty of people who like to get off the train as well. But everyone will have to. As we'll move over here, as we all now have the 66. 66 003, yes, it's a shed, 9.5. 6603. 66003. Every jump Jesus from Nottingham and 465 bits on side for clear out. 14 there, 813 Sonsi Bandit, 803 VT good on, 881 Section 3, he's double stack, and again, 801 Sonsi Bandit, and he's a license attack, 805 bits on there, a blue tag for Larazon, and 870 VT good on, 8063 VT good on, taking off the road, 5 attack here then, or 890 VT on Bandit, 8053. 808 visits on. As I said to you, 890 every time landed there. 804 visits landed. 803 790 on the side of take here for everyone. 890 every time landed. 8146 visits on the line, reach on the other side of the Sunday. 846 on the landed, he's on track, he's on track. 804 visits on. 806 over, visits on. 803 over, visits just congested. 890 that's a VT landed. Right to that way, 262. 8144 VT landed. 8075. 8055 V6 on, V2 on as well, 8058 V6 on, 890, and that's it. But is the Ryco wagon on there? By process of elimination, because it was on the previous set, no. And she was certainly not hanging about. So certainly hasn't that. She has some good pulling power, especially with a full load of petroleum tanks like that. Because they're loaded as well. It's really putting the hammer down.
We are sorry that the 1800 East Midlands Railway service to Mansfield Woodhouse is delayed. The reason for the delay is currently being investigated by our team.
Then why don't you investigate it then? And there goes that one. Right, the 56 was actually Doncaster CHS to Doncaster CHS. And there's 170 over there, the pair of them. As I think passing through very shortly will be a 66 of some description. I hope so anyway. We'll find out if that's the case.
Platform 5B for the 18.
But there should be a 66 in a minute. We'll see. Let's move forward here.
Long Eaton, Derby, Burton on Trent, Tamworth, Birmingham New Street, University.
Nothing yet.
Worcestershire Parkway.
So I'll pause until it comes through. Oh no, it's really shower time everyone. It's coming in there. It's going to be a terminating Northern service from Leeds. It's been a few days, hasn't it? I'll give you 3 guesses. Guess. It could only have been a 195. 195, oh, James Bond 007, first time that one's been seen, so they're the only time that it will be. As is the case with Northern now these days. Coming in now is going to be an empty movement for the 1800.
This is due to a problem currently under investigation.
It's coming in now. The 1800 will now be delayed. East Midlands Railway service to Mansfield Woodhouse. After which there will be a freight train hopefully.
Platform 6B from the 1810 East Midlands Railway service to London St Andrews, East Midlands,
156, so 1569.
Leicester, Harper, Hedrick and London St Andrews.
To me.
Train is forming of 5 coaches.
156, 917. A former Greater Anglia 156. Still yet to be painted blue and white. So purple and white at the moment still. Very nice indeed. As then the next freight train to pass by is going to be a GBRF Class 66. Working the coal train from Ending Humberton Terminal GBRF to that console power station GBRF. So we'll move this way. I think she's coming on through on this platform over here, I think. Yep. Interesting process going on here. There are workings that involve GBRF hoppers. So yeah, you know. She's going to be given the green light in a minute once this service is finally pulled in. Here we go. And right, that's that done. 176.20. It's turbo start, and here we have the 66. '66 780, the Nottingham Express. Haven't seen this in a fair old while, so good to see it again. Cool livery on this. Squeaky brakes. Oh, that's it, 917 there. As well, that's what might be helpful. 161.15 as well. Air consent coalition there. They're racing, and we're seeing Nottingham Express. Interestingly, you've got a GBRF, well, Nottingham Express Limited here, but probably GBRF Limited it would have been with EWS Limited hoppers. As I might get bowled here by the 1810 East Midlands Railway and St Pancras to see the wagons, but I'll try my best. See if we can see them. Running an hour late, I think, over an hour late at the tank zone. That's it. Here we go. That could be to allow the freight to get going. Yeah, I'm going to get bowled, aren't I? I might not do if this goes out quickly enough. Go on, girl. 618, 162. 310,598 there. 310,537. 310,132. 310,538, I think. 310,042. 310,638. 22223 goes out. 310,844. 310,347. 310,814. 310,152. 31044, 310 310 310 310 281, 310 310 184, 310 227, 310 185, 310 251, 400 310 369, one of the many GBRF sites that we've seen here in this set. Many branded years, sorry, here we've seen that 310 134, and that's it. It looks like I did just about get all the numbers there in the contest. That was quite a decent length freight train. I think it's 24 they use on there. Decent length. So I've already been small once again, and there's a City Convenience Park as well. Quite a decent length freight train. They're running up very late. And behind the other one, normally the other way round, but apparently not to be. Whilst we watched a 158 come in from a working a service here in Nottingham, I want to believe. This could be from Mansfield Woodhouse, I'm not too sure. The likelihood is that it will be just that. And I think it could well be. What about 158 780? A white 158 there. And there's a blue and white 195 over there that will be going to these eventually. And here they come now for our final and last train of the day. Well, I'll say that now. $5.07 wants to go. Final train of the day is going to be a terminating East Midlands Railway St Pancras, worked by a pair of Meridians, and this should be the last one for the day. With an exceptionally bright light, leading the way is going to be 222010. As the plane comes through DHL bound for East Midlands Airport. And on the rear of this is 222102. When they go back out, 2212 will be leading with Webberton said from Webberton to Upton said trailing. And there goes the jet plane as well. And the Centro tram as well. And then, the last train, that's going to be also 511. It wanted to steal the show, didn't it? The 1816 East Midlands Railway is running now in its 3-minute plane.